in my opinion, one of the cheapest ways to get something cool looking that is not difficult to do and you don't really need to have a sewing machine is the slit method, which is why I sent you that article that had the links to all those different ways that you can slit it. And what you do is you have a black shirt and black pants, but then you sew in or glue in with fabric glue, or just wear another whole layer underneath it, shirt and pants that are colored, so that when you have the slits, the color peekaboos through. And you can have multiple bottom layers that are different colors, but the same top layer, and suddenly you've got a whole bunch of different outfits. And then if you think about that from the perspective of like, you know how in the 80s they had those like that off the shoulder look, and they had the layered thing with the like the workout top. I'm thinking Flashdance here. Yeah, so you could have like your top layer, but then your bottom layer, which is peeking through, could be your bright colors, and you can have a lot of different, you basically can get just tank tops and yoga pants that are super tight, that are, and just double layer your pants, and then you just have your slits and you have your cutouts, and boom, you're safe and you have something cheap. The reason I recommend that you put the black over the other color is because then if the tool hits the fabric, the soot won't be as likely to get on the bright color, and it'll be on the black, so the black will hide it. I do think that's an important factor. It's really effective. And then you can have like just a couple different pairs of pants that have different slit patterns on them. And then if you want to really level it up a little bit, what you can do is make a wrist cuff, something that you tie on, that's just the colored fabric. So get an extra shirt. I mean, you can get basically just cheap t-shirts that you cut up. Just make sure you don't have exposed raw edges to the fire. So as long as it's underneath, it's fine, but you don't really want the edge of your shirt. Like if this was ripped, it's less than ideal because it can catch more, especially if there's strings. That's more dangerous, if that makes sense. And you could get like a headband to go with it also, so you get like wrist cuffs and a headband to go with, and boom, suddenly you like really classed up an outfit, and it looks like more than just, or you get flowers to put in your hair, although you don't want anything big, because then you don't want your tools hitting your hair either. That's another whole thing. You can also get makeup stickers where they do, like those rhinestone. Yes, that's a great solution. Temporary tattoos might actually be a better method for you then, because you could get colored temporary tattoos that'll stay on through sweat a lot longer than makeup, or even those rhinestone things in my experience.